update. I'm moving again. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a special one because today I'm officially a homeowner. I can't even begin to express how grateful and excited I am. Honestly, it's been quite a journey. I didn't think it was gonna happen, but here we are, got the keys, and I'm ready to start this new chapter. It's a little late in life, but better late than never, right? But the important thing is that it's finally happening. I'm so excited. It felt like a long process, but at the same time happened so fast. One day we were just looking, and then next thing you know, I'm like right here. So yeah, I'm so excited. This place is mine. I still can't believe it. Can't wait to show you guys. So let's get unpacking. So I just moved here like 7 months ago, and I'm not lifting anything again. I learned my lesson, so I hired movers this time. Totally worth it, you guys. So all I did was packed everything in boxes, and they did all the heavy lifting. So they moved everything except for my plant. I decided I wanted to do it myself. All I did was pack them tightly in boxes, and I just did like multiple trips back and forth. Then I realized the moss pools are not gonna fit in my car, so I just wrapped everything with plastic to prevent the soil from going everywhere. It still made a little mess, but honestly it helped. So then I just laid them flat in the back of my car, and I just drove carefully. And then luckily I don't have a lot of hanging plants, I just have these linearis, and I wrapped it around in plastic and it worked. And that's pretty much it, and I got the apartment empty after a few trips. I'm not sad, but I'm gonna miss this place a little bit, but I'm super excited to move into my new place. So here's a little tour. I'm not done unpacking yet, and it's a little empty right now. I still need to get some furniture, but I'll give you a little bit of tour. So this is when you enter, primary bedroom and bathroom. I'm not gonna go in there right now because it's it's not done yet. And also the washer and the secondary bathroom right there. Here's the kitchen. It's pretty updated, so I'm not gonna be doing a lot of work. So yeah, it looks nice, except probably just gonna change some of the lights and the track lights up there. I'm definitely gonna change that one. So this is the living room dining area. It's pretty spacious and lots of windows. This windows is south facing. I put a few plants in there, not a lot. I decided to just keep everything in the plant room. Here is my living room. I'm definitely gonna change the couch. I've had this couch for a while. It needs to be replaced for sure. The TV, definitely gonna mount. I love that TV stand, so I'm gonna keep it, and then I'm just gonna mount the TV. Here's the kitchen. I'm gonna put a dining table right there, and the plant room is in there. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. And we go into the patio. So this is the view from my patio. Tennis court right there, and you can see the 8 freeway and the 15 freeway right here. If you're from San Diego, the Snapdragon is just to the right. But yeah, this view is it's pretty amazing. Put some tiles from IKEA. It definitely made the patio looks nicer and cleaner. So I'm quite happy. I placed some plants here outside. I might put some more. Right now I just have the monkey tail cactus and this ficus and this alocasia zebrina. And this way is to the plant room. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.